Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you unique and very lightweight Android launcher having only wallpaper in home screen. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store application, and on the search box just search for one application named as Discrete Launcher. Just search this application and just tap on it and just tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally you can see the file size is only 840 KB. So it's a very lightweight and tiny Android launcher. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just tap on allow. Now the launcher has been activated. So you can see here it's just showing a wallpaper on the home screen, right? So if I tap and hold on it also, there is no any options. So how to access the applications? So there are two ways to access the application. The first method is just swipe up from the bottom. So you can see here all the applications, and just swipe down from the top to down. So here you can add your favorite applications. So how to add it? So let me show you. Just open the app drawer again by sliding upwards. So let me add to favorites. Say let me add some applications. So you can see here, add to favorite. So let's move back. Now let us slide. So I've added some my favorite apps, and you can see a settings option below it, and here you can just check out for different options here, like the favorites, folders, hidden apps, refresh the list of apps, appearance, operations, export and import. So under the appearance you can change tons of options like the themes. Under the themes you can set it to the system preference or the light and dark theme, and transparent status bar. So tons of options here. So you can see here everything. So even the clock format, you can change the clock, and here one good thing is that it even supports the third-party icons. So you can see I have some icons, then if you select the respective icon packs you can apply it also on this Android launchers. So if you want to search applications on your app drawer, just tap on this search option and you can search anything. So it's a very straightforward and a very lightweight and a very unique type of Android launchers which only have a wallpaper in a home screen sections. So in my opinion, you should definitely give this Android launchers a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.